भारत सरकार की ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी की नेतृत्व में अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी, Nisa Mukta Bharat is going on in the state of Manipur also, as well as the war on drugs. This was taken up by the state government, is going on. And today is very important because almost Manipur were badly affected by the drug users during the 90s. But because of the war on drugs and the Nisa Mukta Bharat taken up by the Government of Manipur under the able leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, now the uses of the illicit drugs abuses now reducing, and it is my message to all of the younger generation people of the state that we should not use this kind of drugs which can damage our future. Thank you.
It is believed that this is a particular ongoing Manipur violence has been developed, has been sparked up because of this war on drugs that is being said. So how do you look into that aspect?
Yeah, it is correlated. Manipur state government launched war on drugs in 2018, and because of this war on drugs campaign, with our state forces and central forces, we destroyed around 18,000 hectares of poppy plantations, and around 297 drug smugglers were convicted, and around around 60,000 drugs, illegal drugs were arrested from the businessmen, from the smuggler. So these are some issues, some cause behind the present crisis also.